Hello everyone, good morning.
Hi Ravi, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
How about you?
All great, all great.
Hi Ravi, good morning. I'm Vinay.
Very good morning, very good morning. Yep. So I guess most of the people have been able to solve the problem in the yesterday's session. So still getting people's replies, like most people have replied to it. Good population there today.
వాళ్ళకి ఈజీ ఉంటుందండి ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు అది చేస్తారు కదా ఈజీ ఉంటుంది.
Okay, so most of you have sent your solution. I guess you are able to do that. Anybody who has still an issue can just let me know. Hello. Okay. So in the yesterday's part, we were working on some scenarios where we found out the index match nature of it. Okay. Now, out of this data set we have, if I need to know what is the topmost salary, to obtain the topmost salary, I'll use the max function. Max of E column. But this is for max. What if somebody says the top 3 salaries? Then the function to be used is large. Now, how does it work? Large, so I need first position, second position, third position. So large of, in the whole data set of E column, we are looking for first highest. Why we selected one here? We need the first highest. Then if I drag, I'll get the second highest, third highest. So if I write it as what is the fifth highest data in this, 10th highest data in this. So this large function actually help us to find. So large is some function. First it requires array, data array, and then position. First position, second position, third position, whatever. Likewise, if you also have a function named as small, same function it is data array and position. So that will give you bottom three basically. You can find out top three, bottom three, top five, bottom five in the same manner. So smallest in E column, smallest first, which is the least number, first least number, then second least number, second highest, second least, third least, fourth least. So this way. Function is large and small. Okay. Now, how my question is related to today's lecture? If I need to find out name of those people who got, so basically I want to find out top three salary getters in this data. So what are the name of the top three salary getters? So I know the top three salaries are listed here somewhere. This, and this. But what is the name associated with them? So Lineback, Frost, Martins. These are the top three people. Like that, I want to know bottom three also. Try. Find out the name of the person who got the highest salary, second highest salary, third highest salary. Try in the system and send me the solution. Send your answers in the chat quick.
Hello, Ravi. Excuse me.
Yeah.
So actually, we are trying, but we are unable to get it. So can you please explain?
Sure. So you already know what is the salary by using the large function, correct? So we make use of a function named as index match. Why? Because with the help of a salary, you need to find out the name of the person. So right to left. So is equals to index in the whole table match of the salary. Now salary belongs to P column, comma 0. And then what I need name. Name is available in which column. If you want to write, you know which position it is, you don't need to go for the second match. So I know it is second column. Anyhow, match function will still produce the two. Or if you want to write dynamic ways, you can write the second match. Now once done, simply drag it down. The two coming here is for the column number. We need the name. Name is the second column. Likewise, we also find out what is the names of people who got the least salaries. Apply the same way. Pratish, I guess Pratishna, you were not there in the yesterday's session, right?
Yes.
Last two sessions you were not there.
Yes, Ravi, I wasn't. I was on leave.
Difficult. I would like you to go through the video before, because that will be
Sure, I'll do that today.
Yeah, those who are done, please send your solutions to me. Okay. Likewise, you can also find out what is the these are the solutions for the least salaries. Yes, done. Everyone. All right. Good.
Ravi,
Yeah, please.
I have a small doubt here.
Hmm.
Like, we want to find the top lot salaries. Like, we are writing 1, 2, 3 and positions, right?
Hmm.
If we want to exclude that 1, 2, 3, then how can we do that? Like,
Then it is little tricky. Basically, then there are certain functions like so basically we'll write rows. Select this. So if I delete, still I'll get the output. So what rows function is doing here is so assume I have selected this R27 to R27. How many rows are there? There is only one row. As you pull it down, next time R27 to R28, how many rows are there? There are 2 rows selections. Next time 3 rows selections. So we only freeze the first most. Only below is changing. So R27 will become R28, R29, R30 like that. So as soon as you drag down, ultimately it will produce a kind of a series of serial numbers. So we included the same function over here in obtaining the largest salary. So find out the row position. So this will give us one virtually this function. Next time it will give you 2. Next time it will give you 3, 4 like that.
got it, Ravi.
Sorry.
I got it.
Now next brother of VLOOKUP is HLOOKUP. Now, what is the difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP as a function? Actually, both functions are same. There is hardly any differences. Instead of V, we'll use H. So could be the case with the ID number as 1117. Let's find out the location. So is equals to H lookup. Lookup value ID number need to be looked into whole table, comma, which row we need location, so that's the 7th row. So 7th row 7, comma 0, and done. Likewise, if I need to find department, is equals to H lookup value, the ID number need to be searched in whole table. Now ID number, sorry, we need department, which is the 4th row, so 4, comma 0. Likewise, with the name as Martins, let's find out its location. Then is equals to H lookup value Martins. Need to be looked into from where? Since I'm searching with name, the selection will start from name, comma. Then I need location. So counting will start from where my name begins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the 6th row, comma 0. And similarly, you can also find out the department. So that would be the 3rd row from name. So, and if somebody says, let's find out the ID number, we'll say it is not possible. Because as we know that there are certain general rules applicable, the same set of similar rules apply here as well. So lookup value should be the, earlier it was leftmost, now it is topmost. So you can only search from top to bottom. So HLOOKUP works on from top to bottom, not vice versa. Please try follow this.
Ravi?
Yeah.
Yeah, so actually, one doubt, how did you just formatted the data from vertical to horizontal?
Sorry, how to convert this data? Okay, basically.
Yes, yes.
So copy this data, and wherever you want to paste, right click, paste special, and click on transpose.